Welcome to this brand new video. In this video we're gonna take a look on how we can create a good sticker pack app. So just follow along with me. Open Xcode, create. This we're going to take a sticker pack app. So I'm just gonna call mine my app. My app one. So you can give whatever name you want, and the organization name, so you can change it. It's your company. That's okay. So click next, and source control, create Git repository on my Mac. No, create next, and here we come. So yeah, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to one website called Flat Icon to get our sticker. Step Flat Icon. It's a site where you can get good images for free, but you can pay as well as you can also. Let me just look for one icon line. Let me just say Apple icon. So yeah, so let's just let's just grab some few of them here. These ones are free. So you have to check for the size. It's PNG 512, free download. Another one again, let's look for another color. PNG. So go for another color. This is it. Then download. Just look for this one. This is it. Download. Let's check out blue 512. Download. Let's check white 512. Download. Let's check on black. We already download black, so let's go to our downloader folder. So these are all the images. So let's grab them. So those are our images. So now we can see if we can run our app. So that is just a okay. Let's use iPhone X and let's run our app. Let's click continue. So let's look for the images that we just uploaded. So this is our images, so we can just click here to send, and then there we go. Oh, so we have one okay, let's run it. My app, go, and then we'll click here, we'll send. So thank you guys. This is how you create a sticker pack app. So thank you guys, love and share this video. Until then, see you.